In this clip, I'd like to show you how to insert objects into your messages that might be useful to your team. Now, I've been working on this message throughout the day, and I finally located the attachment that I needed to send, and I also want to include some images. Notice that the Include group is included on the Message tab. I'm going to go ahead and click Attach File. Once I've browsed and located my file, I can select it and then click Insert. And it adds the attachment to my message. Now, in addition to file attachments, there's other things you might want to include, so I'm going to choose the Insert tab. The first group is also the Include group, but we are also going to add tables, illustrations, links, different text items, and then even some symbols and formatting. So one thing that's new in Office 2016 is the ability to add online pictures. Online Pictures uses the Bing image search, and it goes out and searches the internet for me. So let's say I want to look for some smartphones. I'd like to see all web results, so I'm going to choose the Show All Web Results button. From the results, I can choose which images I'd like to include, select the image, and click Insert. The image has now been included in my email. And I also have Picture Tool so I can format that a little bit. This image is particularly large, so I'm going to choose the formatting options to resize the object. There are many other options available to format your pictures if you like. Let's look at what other things we can insert into our message. In addition to files and pictures, you can add things like shapes, smart art, or charts, or even screenshots. So you might want to explore the options that are available to insert into your emails and see what might be helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip.